Hi, everybody. It's Jennifer. I was gifted this super great gift. You were going to want to pick one of these up. It is preserved flowers, and they come in this really cool gift box. You do need to turn it around to cut that off so that you can then just pull the flowers out. You get a beautiful card that has dried flowers on it, and you can write your sentiment on the inside. The best thing about these flowers is that they are natural, real flowers, and they are preserved using this plant-based preservation technology. So they're going to retain their original texture, color, and shape for up to 2 years. Zero maintenance on these. No water, no sunlight. They just stay fresh. So they are really perfect if you don't like to take care of plants, but you do want the beauty. Super low effort. These would be great as a birthday gift, a Valentine's Day gift, or just a thinking of you gift. They even smell fantastic. It's really hard to believe that these are preserved. They come with this beautiful wrapping and the purple satin bow. You can take that off, and there is a plastic vase on the inside. You saw at the beginning, I did also put these in a glass vase that I had because they are that realistic that you can use them anywhere. This is a great, also space-friendly design. They're nice and compact, so they're going to really fit any room, and they just add a touch of class, whether it's your entryway or your bedroom. So treat yourself and treat those who you love with these flowers. They do come in several different colors, so definitely check those out. I am loving them, and I highly recommend.